Most people repeat themselves over and over in Claude, typing out the same instructions and adding the same context. Skills fix that. Write it once and Claude remembers it forever. In this video, I'll show you what skills are, how to use the pre-built skills, how to stay safe using external skills, and how to build and refine your own, which is the biggest unlock in all of Claude. And there's a really important step that most people miss. My favorite way to describe skills is they're like recipe cards for workflows. A set of instructions and context that tell Claude exactly how to perform a specific task the same way every time. Think about something you do in Claude regularly. Responding to emails, creating presentations, writing reports. Right now, you probably have to spell out the same instructions every single time. What tone to use, how to format it, what to include. With a skill, you write that out once and Claude triggers it automatically from that point on. It will get the same output on the first try every time, without writing a long prompt. And what's cool is skills work across all of Claude. Chat, cowork, and code. You could even take them to other tools like Hermes, Codex, or Manus. So whatever you're building or doing, the same skill has you covered. Now, you don't need to look inside a skill for it to work, but if you're curious, under the hood, a skill is just a markdown file, a plain text file Claude knows how to read, with all the instructions baked in. More advanced skills can also pull in additional files. That could be more markdown files, or also images or PDFs to give Claude the visual guidelines and extra context it needs to execute perfectly. Before anything else, there's one quick setup step. Go to Settings, then Capabilities, and make sure code execution and file creation is turned on. Skills won't run without that, but it is probably already on for you. Now, Claude actually comes with a bunch of built-in skills by default. The easiest way to understand them is to just see them in action. Ask Claude to make a PowerPoint, then it automatically triggers the PowerPoint skill. No extra instructions needed. Then I get a perfectly formatted, editable deck on the first try. Same goes for spreadsheets, Word docs, PDFs, data analysis. There's already a built-in skill for all of those. You can find more by going to Customize, Skills, then Browse. And you'll find additional skills from Anthropic. Just look through those and click the plus button to add any that are relevant to you. Then beyond that, there's also plugins. And these are a whole nother level. A plugin bundles together multiple skills, plus connectors that let Claude use external tools, all in one package. Anthropic has built-in plugins for productivity, sales, finance, legal, marketing, and a lot more. Then the Partners tab are plugins built for products you may already use, but they help integrate them more deeply into Claude. Canva, Zapier, Airtable, that sort of thing. There's multiple skills built into each. The pre-built skills and plugins will cover a lot, but eventually you'll want something specific to how you work. That's when you build your own, and it's really easy to do. There is a Create a Skill button where you can describe what you want, but that's actually not how I'd recommend you do it, unless you've already thought through the process really thoroughly and have a solid prompt. And we have already done that and compiled 5 really useful skills into one free resource to get you started. And it starts with all the same information about what a skill is and how to use them, but in written form. Then we have 5 skills you can build with the exact prompts to copy and paste into Claude to work through the process with you. We also included the skill.md file if you want to use that text instead of building it. These are 5 really common and useful skills. We made them super easy to use. I'll put a link in the description so you can grab that for free. When you don't have a prompt to copy and paste like that, the best way to build a skill is to just use Claude normally to work through a task. Tell it what you want, go back and forth, tell it what's right, what's wrong, refine it, iterate until you've got the output exactly where you want it. Once you've done that, say package everything we just did into a skill. Then Claude has a built-in skill creator that will analyze the whole conversation and distill it into a reusable process. Then next time, you'll get to the same result on the first try. If you've been using Claude for a while, you probably already have conversations that could become skills right now. You just go back to those and ask. But to show you what this looks like in practice, I'll build one that a lot of people ask me about. A skill that writes in your own voice. Whether that's for social posts, blogs, marketing copy, YouTube scripts, whatever you need to write. Out of the box, Claude is good, but not great at that. No AI is. But with the right skill, it gets much closer. So start by paste in some writing samples and ask for an analysis. That will come back with a super deep analysis. Then from there, ask Claude to interview you. A series of questions about how you think, what you care about, how your sentences flow, and what you would never say, until it's confident it can replicate your style. It should go through a series of questions, answer everything thoroughly, and then at the end of all of that, say package this up as a skill. It will use that skill creator and analyze everything you covered, then come back with the skill. You just save it, and from that point on, it triggers automatically. Now I can go up to customize and look at my skills, and it's right here. This shows everything Claude went through and all it came up with. But you're not done yet. Test it. Look at what it produces, critique it, tell it what's good or bad, then ask it to update the skill based on your feedback. This is what most people miss with a more difficult skill like this. It won't be all the way there on the first try. The skills that become truly powerful are the ones you keep refining. Every time you modify an output from the skill, tell Claude what you changed and ask it to update the skill accordingly. Do that consistently, and over time, you'll have a system that handles more and more of your work, exactly the way you'd do it yourself. One more way to get skills is to download them. Since a skill is just a file or a folder of files, they're easy to share. So if you come across a skill someone else built, you can drop it right in and it works. You can find them on GitHub, or there's marketplaces, or people might give them out in YouTube videos. They'll have a place to download the skill file. Then in Claude, under Customize, then Skills again, you click Add, then Upload Skill, and then just drop that skill file in. Easy as that, the skill will be ready to go. But something really important to keep in mind, since a skill is just a set of instructions, a malicious one could tell Claude to send your data somewhere without you knowing. Or if you're using skills in Cowork or Code, those can actually access files directly on your computer. So just before you install anything from an outside source, make sure it's from someone you trust. And then always look inside. If you built the skill yourself or you're using one from Anthropic, you're good. Everything else, verify first. Skills take Claude from a tool you have to constantly direct and turn it into a system that works automatically, consistently, and better over time. So here's the easiest way to start. Go back through your Claude conversations and find one where you've already gone back and forth to get something right. Open that conversation and say, package everything we did here into a skill. That's it, you're done. You just saved time on that workflow forever. If you don't have a conversation like that, use the prompts from the resource in the description, or think about one thing you do regularly that you'd want Claude's help with. Just work through it, get it right, then package it up. Either way, go build your first skill today. Once you have one that actually works the way you want it to, you'll understand why this changes everything.